Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home? Take me We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to
It's Friday, so I thought I would take you with me. I have a pretty casual day here at home for work. We just have some professional development that we need to do online, so I just have things to watch, things to read. But I just wanted to get up, get ready, get things done. So I got my coffee. I got my favorite naked juice here. I'm about to go make a little bit more of a substantial breakfast. And then I might take my dog on a walk, come back, do some more work, get ready for the day. So it's so hard staying motivated when all you want to do is sit here in your comfy clothes and watch YouTube all day.
What we do here is go back.
All right, we're showered, feeling much better. And guys, I'm such a kid sometimes. I still eat like an 8-year-old. So I'm gonna eat my pizza rolls, and I think I'm also gonna snack on some carrots and hummus. In here, there we go. A little bit of health for us. And then I'm going to continue doing a little bit of work. And then I know Sway's man here, he's dying to go outside. So maybe I'll muster up the energy to take him on a walk here in a little bit. So it looks pretty nice out. Whew, sorry, it's really bright. It looks pretty nice out. I think it's a little windy today. But yeah, we'll make it work. It was a lot colder outside than I thought it was. My hands are turning white because they're so cold. Swayze, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so I got most of my work done this morning. It's like a little afternoon, I think. And so I have some cleaning and organizing I need to do in my bedroom. Here, let me show you. First of all, I have some laundry that I need to put away. So in here is some laundry I need to fold and put away. Obviously shoes, clothes. My desk is a mess. My leftover Truly from last night when I was FaceTiming with some friends. But then this area is kind of what I need to figure out today, what I want to do with it. I have in mind an IKEA, like tall, it's called like their lingerie chest or something, and it's white and it's in the hymnus style. So I think I might want to put that here with my TV on top of it. I want to get a new mirror for there too. There's also a mirror on IKEA that I saw that I like, but I don't know. I just kind of want to clean it up here in the meantime until I get that. And then I have two options of artwork that I want to put above my bed. So maybe you guys can help me decide what would look better there. And then lastly, I need to organize my closet a little bit. So just hang up some stuff. I am so lucky. I have a really nice big closet, but then it makes it so easy to just throw stuff on the floor. Okay, so room's getting there. I thought I would kind of give you a little bit more of an update with my room, kind of the plan that I want to go with going forward, and then I'll probably do another video of the final product when it's all done. So let me know if you would like to see that, because obviously right now there's lots of things that I want to change about it. Here, let me flip the camera around. Okay, so starting out, I have this bench in front of my bed that I love. It has such great storage underneath, so that's where I put like seasonal clothes and stuff. Right now it has a bunch of tank tops and shorts that I'll get out for summer and spring. And then my bed, I'm pretty set on my bed at this place in my room, I think, because I don't want my bed next to the windows. But like I said before, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to put above my bed. So my first option, this is what was above my bed in my last apartment. It's like four, kind of like wood patterned pictures. Here, let me lay them out for you. So you'd kind of hang it something like that, and then obviously space it out evenly so it looked like that, but above the wall. But I'm kind of thinking with my room, I want to go more grays and blacks instead of browns, but I think I still might need some warmness on my walls, especially since I have this wooden bench. It would be nice to kind of complement that with some more warmness on the walls. Over here with my desk, going to probably change a lot. I'm in the search of a new office chair because that one's just honestly kind of ugly. This mirror I do want to hang centered above the two windows, but I first want to spray paint it black. I'm kind of getting sick of the gold. That was kind of the last theme I had before. And in the new house, new room, I want to get rid of the gold. So the lamp, I'll either also spray paint black, or I'm totally fine with just finding a new lamp, to be honest. I'm not like I don't have my heart too set on that lamp. And then there's just a lot of clutter right now because I'm working from home. I'm a teacher, so I have all like my curriculum books, different education books and folders and school supplies. So after the school year's over, I mean, that stuff has to be there for now. Like, I'm not going to put it away and then get it out each day. Whew, I'm out of breath. So that's just going to be what it'll be until summertime, when I can put it back in my classroom and get my desk back to a more clean space. So anyways, that's kind of the plan with that. I did just order a rug off of Amazon. It'll be like a tan rug, and that'll also help bring in some of the warmness too, because I don't want it to be too cool toned. And then I kind of already went over this over here. This table I'll get rid of. I'll put my dresser there, TV on my dresser. The mirror I'll probably get rid of. The one on IKEA I found is like, I'll hang it on the wall, and it's just a more nice, appealing mirror, and it has a black frame around it. And then these are some other things I have for wall hangings. This is one that I got from just like kind of like a craft fair. It's a local artist here in Kansas City. So I like that one, and I love whales and just the ocean. And then I have this one that my mom gave me, I think when I graduated college, one of those milestones. She gave this to me, and I love this. So see, I have a lot of that wooden texture, but I also don't want to go overboard with it. So I'll put that somewhere. I was thinking that could be cute, either like above my closet door, bathroom door, or the entrance to my room. I'm not sure. And then I have this as kind of what I'm leaning towards putting above my bed. Whew, it's heavy. So it's just two eyeballs looking down with eyelashes. I thought it was super cute. It has the black, because I'm kind of wanting to get a black office chair. Obviously the black TV, I'll have a black frame mirror. So, and then this will be spray painted black, and obviously a new mirror. So I'm kind of wanting to bring in more of those grays and blacks. Sorry, this has been a lot on my mind. So let me know what you think, and then I'll obviously show you some more progress once I get things going here. Hey guys, I'm probably going to end off the video here. Thanks for hanging out with me during my chill Friday work from home day. Not a whole bunch going on, as every day is during this quarantine. But I hope you like this, or subscribe if you do, and I'll see you guys in my next video.